What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. In today's video I want to demonstrate you example how plug and play is supposed to be. Installation turned to can be a really nightmare. So this is Trix, great model, made in Germany, means very nice. Zemo decoder, it's already installed, so I'm showing you what's happened actually. And I got a lot of questions. Hey Alex, plug and play, how easy? Yeah, it's easy. It's not everyday issue. So, but anyway, I'll show you how to open the engine, and it will be relatively easy. They're using like fingernails in the manuals usually. Well, my hands is very, I don't have really fingernails. I have toothpicks right here. So you're doing like this, and like here there are 4 like locks right there. So doing here very carefully. So the engine was a little bit used. I saw some marks on the wheels, but I didn't really recognize. So on DC it start just slowing down after like 10 inches, and I thought, let's just do it, you know. And I put the decoder and nothing. So I found out a lot of oil. First of all, after you open it, you need to mark those areas, so make sure it's going the same way. It looks like identical, symmetrical, but it's not. There is a small, my pointer someplace here, small contact here for the catenary. Okay, and then I recognize person who tried to fix it put some extra oil. I didn't see Trix putting like in, it was all over the place. So yeah, some areas here, but it's not that critical anymore. When I plug the decoder, what you need really for installation, yeah, toothpicks, Kapton tape just in case, maybe double-sided tape for insulation, but it didn't work. So finally I found very strange connectors, just like sitting on top of 2 contacts, those motor contacts, right? And this contact from catenary also, it's very kind of, you know, loose, you know. So what I did, I cleaned everything, took it apart, clean wheels of course, wrapped the decoder with Kapton tape, and then soldered directly motor outputs to the board. Okay, theoretically if it needs maintenance, which is very easy, just unsolder 2 contacts here, and that is catenary. So it's still on here, but I don't trust this, really very unusual for Trix method to connect. Then if you don't have the manual, for example, actually Zemo decoder has a manual in the back. Sorry if it's very bright. Which lead is coming, and the bigger microchip, it's on top. But if you have a tester, I'll demonstrate you real quick. To find correct way to plug that decoder, you need to check the manual. If manual not telling you, it's confusing sometimes. So my chip, bigger chip, is here on this side, and this is motor contacts 2 on the other side here out of me. So I'm taking this and connecting to the motor. Here we go. So it should be the other one too. That's it. So you plug in motor, then pickups usually in the middle, and the lights rear and front is here. So this is example how plug and play installation turned to really tough one. Again, my scale is 7 out of 10 because you need good soldering skills, tools, knowledge about DCC, basic knowledge. Yeah, so and troubleshooting, a lot of patience. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you want to support channel, please join our membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.